Hello everyone, in this video I'll guide you through completely bypassing the unsupported hardware error codes FH101, FH201, and FH205 in Forza Horizon 6. These specific errors mean the game's startup sequence is blocking you because it thinks your CPU doesn't have 6 logical cores or your graphics card lacks required DX12 features. To bypass the GPU blocks, press the Windows key and R together. Type DXDIAG and hit Enter to ensure your card actually supports feature level 12. Next, we need to trick the game's hardware profiler. So right-click your desktop, open your display settings, and ensure your monitor is strictly set to a 60 Hz refresh rate, as higher rates trigger compatibility bugs on older chips. Now, if you're running an 8 GB card or an older processor, go to your game installation folder, right-click the main launch executable, open Properties, and check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. The ultimate fix for low-core CPUs is adding a custom launch argument in Steam or your desktop shortcut properties to manually map your core topology, forcing Windows to report 6 logical threads. Finally, open your NVIDIA or AMD control panel, turn off all background hardware monitoring overlays, set your power management mode to maximum performance, and relaunch the game to skip the block entirely. Subscribe the channel for more videos.